'cause tonight we steal the groom!
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Met you under grocery lights. I was counting change, you packed it right. Just co-workers killing time. Didn't know I'd meet my whole life. Coffee break, stolen smiles. End of shift talks for a while. Somehow love was bagged and sold right there in aisle for you.
Ikaw pa din yung minahal ko 11 years ago na pinakamaganda sa paningin ko, pinaka-sexy sa lahat ng babaeng nakita ko, pinakamabait, pinakamaunawain, at syempre aking pinakamamahal. Napaka-bless ko at ikaw ang nakilala ko at binigay sa akin ni God. Dahil kung hindi dahil sa iyo, hindi ko magagawang na lumaban sa buhay kapag ako ay sinusubok.
Salamat sa paglaan ng oras sa akin. Sa mga nag-live pa. Drama mo. Ang drama! Kakilala personally pero thank you kasi hindi ko akalain na makakasama ko kayo sa isang lugar. Kayong lahat ng mga kaibigan ko. Siyempre, mga ipag ko. Thank you. Thank you. Hindi ka kasi kami naiiyak.
Siyempre, hindi ko rin makakalimutan na magpasalamat sa ating Daddy Robert. Daddy Robert, ito na po. Di man natin kasama ang daddy ngayon ay palaging nasa puso at isip natin siya.
From the break room to forever, cashier heart, bag of charms, 10 years flew like summer weather. Now forever's in my arms, El Nido stars, the ocean knew every road leads me to you. From punch cards to wedding bands, it's always been you holding my hands.
Ay, mahal. Finally, ito na yung araw na matagal na nating hinihintay. Araw na pinagkaisa tayo ng Diyos ha. Nagkaisa tayong dalawa sa harap ng Diyos. And standing here with you now, everything feels like has finally fallen into place. Alam mo ba, I wasn't even looking for love when I met you. Noong mga panahon na iyon, hindi ko akalain na darating ka. But God gave you to me when I least expected it.
Invited partners for this whole life. Yeah, forever's finally here, and it's better with you, my dear. Just stay
I felt so lost that I went to church. I prayed a final prayer. Lord, kung hindi ko siya makakasalubong pag-alis ko dito, then He isn't the one. And would you believe it? Pagkaalis ko ng simbahan, bigla tayo nagkasalubong.
I, Paulo, take you, Camille, for my lawful wife, to have and to hold from this day forward. I promise to be faithful to you, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish all the days of my life.
I, Camille, take you, Paulo, for my lawful husband, to have and to hold from this day forward. I promise to be faithful to you, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish all the days of my life.
Ikaw ang tahanan ko sa bawat takot at pangako. Kapag ikaw ang kasama ko, payapang mundo, ang puso mo'y puno ng liwanag, pasensya at pag-unawa, ang yakap. Sa'yo ko natutunan na ang pag-ibig ay tahanan len.
Mahal, ikaw lang ang una at huli kong mamahalin. Ikaw lang ang una at huli kong mamahalin. Aking pinakamamahal na asawa, Camille Garcia Uyjanco Francisco. Mahal na mahal kita.
Harap. Hindi lang kita mamahalin sa mga masasayang sandali, I promise to stay by your side through every storm, holding your hand just as tight as I'm holding it now. Sa bawat umaga nagigising ako, ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko. So today, hindi lang mahal kita ang sasabihin ko, I am giving you my whole life. From this day forward, sa harap ng Diyos at ng mga mahal natin sa buhay, kasama na tayo habang buhay. I love you always.
Ikaw ang tahanan ko sa bawat takot at pangako. Kapag ikaw ang kasama ko, payapang mundo. Ang puso mo'y puno ng liwanag, pasensya at pag-unawa. Ang yakap sa'yo ko natutunan na ang pag-ibig ay tahanan lang. Sa lugar kung saan ako nangako, bumalik ang lahat ng dahilan kung bakit ikaw 10 taon at pipiliin ka. Sa bawat bukas, sa bawat tadhana, ikaw ang tahanan ko. Ngayon at sa habang buhay pa, bubuo tayo ng mundong bukas. Sa pamilya at pag-asa, sa bawat pintong bubuksan.
And if God is really present in this relationship, I am pretty sure that this story that you are beginning today will have a happy and beautiful ending. And your story will end like this. Paulo and Camille, together with their 6 children, lived happily ever after. Congratulations and best wishes to you both.